So as we know, in last class, we studied what is potential difference and what is the work done. So we all knows that potential difference of any point which is equals to work done by mass. So that is what we have studied and we have calculated the formula also. So work done, that is what from infinity to a particular point to transfer the amount of mass m, we have got the formula minus g into capital M into small m divided by r. Am I right, everybody? Correct? So where, yes, that is what it is. Next, if I have taken a gravitational, that is what potential difference is equals to, if I have been done. So substitute this work done in this, we will get it g into capital M into small m divided by small, divided by r divided by m. So mm will get cancelled. We got the potential difference is equals to, what is the formula, everybody? Gm by r, minus of gm by r. So with the help of this, we have solved on numerical also. That is what three masses are present in equal distance from one another. That is what in equilateral triangle. Then what is the potential difference at this point? That is what we have been done and we have calculated. If I have taken this point, just I am trying to find r. So this equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Then this angle will become what? 30 degrees. Am I right? Then this base will become totally a, means this base will become a by 2. So this will become cos 30. So cos 30 is equals to what, everybody? A by 2. Am I right or wrong? Please respond, everybody. Yeah, a by 2 divided by cos, that is what cos theta means. What is the cos theta? Base divided by hypotenuse. That is what r, which is equals to a by 2r. So cos 30 value how much ra? We want r. R is equals to a divided by 2 into cos 30. What is the cos 30 value, everybody? Cos
Root 3 by 2.
2.
So 2 will go up, 2 will get cancelled. R is equals to a by root 3. So that is what we got it. So now we have replaced in the formula. So minus g into m divided by r value is a by root 3. That is what it will turn up into minus root 3 into gm divided by a. So this is for one body. We have three bodies of same mass and same distance. So it is 3 times of this one. That is what? 3 times of minus root 3 gm divided by a, which is equals to minus of 3 root 3 gm divided by a. So this is the answer, we got it. Am I right, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, let us consider a bigger mass, like imagine like Earth and satellite, or Earth and a moon or something. So there is a big mass, we are going to derive again. So there is a big mass whose mass is m. Clear for those? So now from this mass at a x distance, small mass m is present. So we all knows that gravitational field potential difference always act towards to the bigger mass. Am I right or wrong? Everybody, the direction,
Yes.
please respond. So which is present at x distance, then what is the force of attraction between them? Yes, Pradosh. Girls, tell me, Amma. What is the force of attraction? G into capital M into small m divided by r square. R equals to x. So x square. Am I right, everybody? Please respond. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Now, I want to take this body mass to another x distance, which is at point B. This is the point B. This is the point A. Okay. So I want to bring it here. That mass has to be bring it here. So I need to apply the force of attraction, which is acting towards to it. So then I have to apply another force, which is opposite direction. What is that force we can say? If you say, it is very easy. What is that force? External force. Am I right or wrong? Please respond. So now that is what I need to apply, so that only I can shift this mass m to another x meters. So what is the question is, so calculate what is the work done. what is the work done to move m from A to B? That is what is the question. A to B, but velocity should not change. So it has to be moved what, Pradosh? Narayan? It has to be moved very, very slowly.
Slow.
Velocity should not change. Do you understand, guys? We have studied or not? Everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
That is it. Now,
Yes,
let us, we all knows that. Can you tell me what is the potential difference from A to B? Potential difference. Yes, please. Potential difference from A to B. Final minus initial, which is equals to amount of work done. Work done from where to where? A to B or B to A? Everybody. A to B of mass M. It is very slowly or fastly? Everybody. Very, very slowly. They're asking work done. So from this, I can say work done from A to B is equals to what we can say potential difference of B minus potential difference of A into M. Will you all agree with me? Everybody? Please remember. All of you? Please respond. Formula
Yes,
is
sir.
that is what. And I'm making an assumption that small m is very, 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 very less than capital M. Clear, everybody? Small m is very, very lesser than capital M. So we all knows that this is what change in potential energy. That is what delta V. So work done what? Due to the what? Rudreswar? Work done due to the what? Internal or external force? Work done due to the
External
external
force.
equals to m into delta V. That is the formula. So now let us see that we can modify it. So m into work done by external from A to B, which is equals to what is the B point? Can you tell me what is the V formula? Can you tell me potential difference formula? Potential difference formula, everybody, minus GM divided by potential difference
R
formula minus
minus
GM
GM dot
R.
minus GM by R.
That is what. Now, VB. So, VB minus VA. So, can you tell me what is the potential difference of VB? VB means what? Minus GM divided by. What is the R? R from the M. What is the R from the M? B point. Check it, everybody. X plus X, which is equals to what? Everybody? X plus X is equals to what? Yes, 2X. Next, plus. This is VA minus GM divided by. It is how much far? How much far it is? X. Understanding? It is A point is how much far? Verify it. A point is how much far? X point or X meters only. Am I right or wrong? Yes, everybody.
Yes, sir.
So, M into minus GM divided by 2X. Next, plus into minus minus GM divided by X. So, if I take LCM as a how much? Everybody. Sorry, Ra. Here minus of minus, correct? You not tell me. Minus of minus, it will become what?
Plus.
Minus of minus will become plus. That I forgot it. Okay. Now, this minus plus I will write here. I will get it GM divided by X, and this is minus GM divided by 2X. So you take it 2X is the what? From here you should speak at least. 2X is the what? LCM. So here what will happen? 2GM minus GM over, which is equals to M into GM divided by 2X. So this is the amount of work done, which is need to transfer mass M, from A to B. Do you understand, everybody? All of you? So what is the formula? I can modify this one. MGM divided by 2X. Okay. Ishali, Akshay, understand? Murali?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Always
sir.
understand. Anything doubt, you can ask me. So that is
Yes,
what.
sir.
So basically, in 10th class, we studied what is the potential difference. Potential difference is equals to work done by charge. Now what we are studying gravitation, potential difference is equals to work done by mass. Now from that work done is equals to what? Potential difference into mass. Am anything wrong in that? Are you clear, everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
That is what. So work done by the external means always keep in mind formula is M into delta V. So from that, if I take electricity, what will study electricity? charge into delta V. Am I right or wrong? Everybody? So that is what you have to remember. And if I have taken delta V from this, which is equals to external force, sorry, work done by the external force divided by mass M. This is the formulas which you need to remember. Anybody having any doubt in this, you can ask me, or else complete this and we'll proceed further. Mr. Narayan, understand? Pradeep absent, Rohit absent, Kadri is absent. Kadri is there. Good morning, Kadri. Understand, Kadri? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anything doubt, you can ask. Do it, everybody. Pradosh, okay, va? Clear, Rudresh, va?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Make it quick. Narayan, okay, Narayan? Understand, Narayan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do it. Anything doubt, you can ask. Vinci, Rohit, Sai Gardi, Mane and Samaya. Okay. Completed, everybody? That is all. Now we are going to study the next one. It's also very important and very interesting. So till now what we studied, potential difference, work done, everything. Is it for point mass or a system of mass, extended mass? Everybody? It is for point mass. Now if you want to study for extended mass, then let us see for example. Let me take, there is a ring. So ring means what? Everybody, at every point distance inside what? Ring, right, is. R is remains what? Radius is remains what? Everyone?
Same, sir.
Same. R, because it is a ring. Ring means R is remains same. So let me take this point as a center. So from the center, the point P is present at a point P. Somewhere it is present point. Now, the question is, that is what? At X meters from the center. Now the question is, calculate the potential difference of this question one. That is what, that point two. Anybody having any idea, you can tell. Just make it. So this is what is the most important thing. So how to make a system of mass? If it is a system of mass, again the same concept what we learned in previous chapters. Single mass, will take it. Point mass means dm mass. Like that, we'll cut it into hundreds of pieces. Small dm, 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 dm. Like that, when we cut into dm, 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 if you want to find the total mass, then what you have to do it, guys? We'll apply the concept. What is the concept? Integration. That's all. Nothing is there. Understand? So now ring is a what actually? It is a point mass or extended mass, everybody? Yes, please. Extended mass. Now, so we all knows that what is the VP? VP is equals to what generally formula? Minus GM divided by R. So that this M, what I'm speaking, is it a whole mass or point mass? Anybody?
Point.
It is a point mass. Okay. So, but ring is a what? Everybody. Ring is a what? It is the extended mass. So what we have to do it? We have to apply the concept, call it as. What is the concept we have to apply, guys? Everybody? What is the concept we have to apply? We have to apply the concept, call it as a integration. So I will take very, very small mass. Can I take it like this? Everybody? DM mass. Any problem for anyone? Clear? So I have taken a very small mass whose mass is dm. Clear? Whose mass is dm. And this mass, the distance between them, the distance between the point P to the dm mass, let me take the R. Now, if you are really having any thinking ability, now I want to find this R. Can you tell me what is the way we can solve it? Yes, Mr. Rudresh, Narayan. R this one. If I want to find this R, or if I find this R, wherever it is, there is a way to find it. You have learned it also. In 10th class also you learn. So another way you can see. So from the center to this point, what is the distance? Everybody. Center to this point, what is the distance? It is fixed, guys. What is that actually? Fixed means what, right? That is what radius. Am I right or wrong? Radius. So now you know this is r and this is x. Cannot calculate the r. So r is equals to what? Pythagoras theorem. Understanding? So 90 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Speak, guys. 90 degrees. So r square is equals to, what is that, everyone? Capital R square plus x square. So r square is equals to, what will happen, everyone? This is what? Now r is equals to root r square plus x square. So now, if I have taken this one, then what is the dv? Can you tell me? This is a v. We want very small dm mass. Then can you tell me what is the dv is equals to? Speak, guys. dv is equals to minus g into, instead of m, I can write it as a what? Everybody. I can write as a what? dm divided by r. Now we got the r. What is the r value? Already we have got it. That's what it is. So, yes. So dv is equals to minus gdm divided by r. So what is the r value? Anybody tell? R value is what? Everybody.
R square plus X square.
R square plus x square. Okay. Understand, Pradosh? This is for 1 dv. We want it for like that many dv's are there. dm mass is there. So we have to apply the concept. What is the concept we have to apply? Everybody? Integration. Understanding? So integration of dv is equals to integration of minus gdm divided by root over r square plus x square. So integration of dv what? Narayan, integration of dv, v, that is what total potential energy. Integration of gm minus g is constant. Root over r square plus x square is also constant. Then inside what is there? Integration of, speak, guys, integration of
DM.
yeah. Okay, so that is what. So integration of dm, what is that? Integration of dm, yes. Integration of dm.
Yeah.
So that is what potential difference across that point is minus gm divided by root over r square plus x square. So this is what you have to remember. When a ring, if they ask you what is the potential difference about a particular point from the ring, then this is what you have to solve it. Are you clear, everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
That is what. Now, if for example, note it, if for example, x is extremely, x is extremely larger than the radius, means if the radius is this much, the point is extremely larger somewhere. So then R value is almost negligible. So Vp is equals to, by the time, what is the formula? Gm divided by R square. I am considering approximately equals to 0. So what will happen, everybody? 0 square plus x square, which is equals to what? Minus Gm divided by what? X over x square. X square will get cancelled. What is the answer, everybody?
GM by X.
Gm by x minus Gm by x. Purima? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next. I wanted potential at the center. Can anybody tell me? I'm giving you time. This is what? At a x extremely far away. I want potential at the center. Anybody tell? At the center means something will be 0. Anybody tell what is 0? R is 0 or x is 0? No distance. At potential difference at the center, so that x is not existed. So what is the answer? Anybody? Potential difference at the center. That is what Vc is equals to how much? So what will happen? Vc is equals to minus Gm divided by, speak loudly, guys, R square plus x square. Am I right or wrong? So we all knows that potential difference at curvature, C value will become what, everybody?
0.
0. So then, what is the potential difference at center? Everybody, make it minus Gm divided by, what is that? Minus Gm divided by r square. Square and r will get cancelled. G equals to minus gm divided by r. Which r? Sorry, capital R. So this is what is the formula, which is at potential difference and which is at a certain understanding distance away from the ring. Anything doubt you can ask me in this. Are you clear? Yes, Pradosh. So here x is greater than 1. Imagine like very small ring. Small ring and it has been the point is somewhere extremely far, then this is what is happened. Are you clear, everyone? Understand, Amma? So this is the formulas. Please make sure finish it fastly and then I'll proceed further. Are you clear, everybody? Mr. Narayan, Pradosh, make it quick. Solve it, everything. So what is the VP potential difference formula? Minus GM divided by root over r square plus x square for ring. Okay, understand, everybody? Yes, please. Anything doubt you can ask me. Pradosh, can you hear me or not? Do
Yes,
it.
sir.
Finish till here. So what is the potential difference at the center, everybody? What is the potential difference at the center? Minus gm divided by radius of the ring. That is what you have to remember. Write it. Completed? Narayan? Anything doubt you can ask me, please. Are you clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So now there is a question. I'll just teach you and later you have to continue. So the question is, let me take two rings now, whose radius is different and mass is also different. So what is the question exactly? See, so let me take, there is a ring whose mass is m and radius is 2r. Okay, brothers? Clear? And there is some mass m at this ring. Mass m is present at this point. Let me take this point is x. And there is another ring whose mass is 2m and radius is r. And the distance between these points is, let me take this point is y, and distance between them is also how much, everybody? What is the distance between them? What is the distance between them, everybody? 2r. Clear? Now our target is, we have to transfer this mass m from here to here. What is the work done? That is what is the question. Clear, Pradosh? Yes, please respond.
Yes, sir.
So consider the small mass m is extremely smaller than the mass of the ring, or even not. So what is the work done by the external force? That is what they are asking. So what is the formula for work done? Everybody, just now we have done. Work done is equals to what? Mass into delta V. Am I right or wrong? Yes, please respond. Work done is equals to what? Mass into delta V. What is delta V? You all, from here you speak, I'll proceed. What is delta V? Everybody. What is delta V?
VB
Mass,
minus V.
final potential minus initial. So what is the final potential? Vy, initial is Vx. Am I right, guys? Will you all agree with me? Yes, please. That is what. Then we want to find Vy and Vx. Let us find Vy now. So Vy, you can notice it, everybody. It is experiencing by two things. One is along the axis, because it is acting along the axis, it is at 2r distance. Because if I take y now, so y is experiencing two things. One is what you see that due to the center of the ring, it is experiencing some potential difference. Due to some x point, it is experiencing from potential difference. Will you all agree with me? Everybody, please respond. All of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Potential difference due to this point X, this ring, and also due to the center. So, same way, this first ring will experiences potential difference of what? Potential difference due to the second ring, and as well as because of its what? Center. Am I right or wrong? All of you, speak, guys. That is what. So, Vy is equals to, understanding, because of its center plus because of ring 1. So, V2 is a what actually? Center of ring. V2 is a what? Center of ring, and V1 is a what? Which is acting? Axis of ring. Clear? So what is V2? Can you tell me? Minus G into, of course, let me write the formula first. V is equals to minus Gm by R. This is the formula. Will you all agree with me? Everybody? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now, V2 due to its center of the ring. So minus G into mass, verify corner. What is the second mass? Second mass.
2m.
2m. So 2m divided by r. R is equals to radius. R. Next, plus V1. V1 due to axis of ring. So it is acting, you can check it, opposite in this direction. So what will happen, everybody? Minus Gm divided by R plus X. We all knows the formula. Understanding? Gm minus Gm divided by root over R square plus X square. Am I right or wrong? So in this, what is the X value? Can you tell me? What is the X value? X equals to, what is the distance between them? Verify, guys. X equals to what? 2r. X equals to 2r. That is what? Very good. So minus G2m divided by r plus, this one will become Gm divided by minus Gm divided by r. R value how much, guys? Verify pona ellame. R value r only. So r square plus X value how much? Everybody. X value how much, Ra? 2r. That is what? 2r whole square. So this is what is Vy. So Vy, we got it. If you want, you can simplify further. So what else will come? Minus 2Gm divided by r. Next, this one is minus of Gm divided by r square plus 2r square. So do this one. Next, same way. Vy. Can you tell me Vy? Everybody, sorry, Vy is over. Vx. Vx is again two things. Due to itself, center, and due to the second mass, second ring. So V1 is equals to what? Due to the center. Everybody. What is the center? Check it. G into what is the mass? G into what is the mass? Everybody. M. Am I right or wrong? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, G into M divided by, what is R? R equals to how much, brothers? R is equals to ring 1. R is equals to how much? All of you. R. Next, minus of, if you want, you take plus first. Plus minus of Gm. M means what here? Second mass. Minus 2m divided by root over, what will happen? Everybody, root over r square plus x square. So here also x is equals to what? 2r. So 2r whole square. 2r whole square. So again same. So minus gm divided by x square plus into minus minus g into 2m divided by r square plus r square 2r square. 2r square means 4r square. Am I right, guys? Everybody? Yes, please. So this is how you have to find the Vx and Vy. Now you take this one and you substitute it in a formula Vy and as well as Vx, so that finally you will get the work done by the external force. So solve it and you have to tell me that also. So this is what is about gravitational field. So now anybody having any doubt till here, you can ask me, or else we'll proceed further. Are you all clear, everybody? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So substitute Vx and Vy in the given formula, you will get the work done. So now you solve it and tell me what is the work done. So this is what is about gravitational field concept. So now we are going to use this both the concepts together. That's what gravitational field. What is the symbol gravitational field we represented? Verify your notebooks and tell me. What is the symbol we represented gravitational field? Everybody. E. Am I right? And potential difference. Just now you are saying V. Then what is the relation between them? That is what we are going to study. So the next concept in this gravitation, which is also very important for NEET and JEE. So that is what we used to say. Relationship between field. Which field? Gravitational field and gravitation potential. So write it everybody. Relationship between gravitational field E and gravitation potential. What is a gravitation potential, everybody? Gravitational potential, everyone. What is the symbol of gravitational potential V? Am I right or wrong? Please respond. And we all knows that gravitational field is a vector quantity or scalar quantity? Everybody, vector quantity. Gravitational potential is a what quantity? It is the scalar quantity. Okay. So the relationship between them, of course, we'll derive it. The relationship between them is E is equals to minus dV divided by dr. That is what? Differentiation of potential difference with respect to R. That is what we used to call it as a relation between E and V, gravitational potential difference. So V and gravitational field E, this is what is the relation. Now, as we know, this gravitational field is a particular direction. So we'll be having three different directions: X direction, Y direction, and another one is what, everybody? Z direction. So if you want to find the E in any direction, just have a glance in mathematics, like we will apply the concept, call it as a partial differentiation. What is that, everybody? Partial differentiation. You understand, Amma? So what is partial differentiation? Nothing there. It's very simple. Suppose if you want to find in x-axis, then the formula is minus, understanding, minus of partial difference of divided by partial difference of x. Same way, Ey is equals to minus dv divided by, that's what, partial differentiation of y. Same way, Ez is equals to minus partial difference of v divided by partial difference in z direction. So this is what is the partial differentiation in x-axis, y-axis, and as well as z-axis. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Individually we are doing. So this is what is E and dr relation. So any doubt in this, you can ask me, guys. Are you clear, everybody? Brothers? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So now, for example, you want to find x direction. For example, let me take some mass is there, and somewhere the point P is there. So can you tell me what is the direction of E? Direction of E, which is at x distance. What is the direction of P? Sorry, direction of E, which is always towards to the mass. Am I right or wrong? Everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, towards to the mass. Now towards to the mass. Or else I may keep like this mass M and the point P here. So now also I can say it is upwards. So okay, now which is acting always towards to the mass. So now let me consider what is the VP of this point. Anybody can tell me? VP of this point is equals to, speak loudly, everybody, minus GM by R means X. Am I right or wrong? R is equals to X. Am I right, guys? Please respond. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, so I want to find what is the gravitational field about a x-axis. So about x-axis, what is the formula? dv divided by dx. Am I right, guys? Yes, please respond. Okay. So differentiation. So differentiation of v. What is the v, guys? Differentiation of v. Anybody? Differentiation of v, which is equals to what? All of you. Minus gm divided by x. Am I right or wrong? Divided by dx. So minus minus will become plus. Understanding? Differentiation of. Now you can check it. So gm is constant. So gm I will take it outside. Now differentiation of this is x, by x is there. So by x means what will happen, Ra? Speak loudly, Ra. By x means what is there? D power x minus 1 divided by dx. So can you tell me what is the derivation of x power minus 1, Rudreswa? X power 1 means I will say 1 into x power 1 plus 1. So if it is not a listening, y1. So what is this one, everybody? Dx, x power minus 1. What will happen, everyone? Please speak, guys. Minus 1 into, is it differentiation or integration, Pradosh? I forgot it. X power 1, what is the integration? Differentiation. So now, what is the differentiation of x power minus 1? Everybody, answer please. X power minus 1 or minus 2 or? X power minus 1. So what will happen, differentiation? Minus 1 into x power minus 1, which is equals to x power minus 2. Am I right? Yes, please. All of you. So that is what. Now, dm into differentiation of x power minus 1 is minus 1 into, okay, x power minus 2. So minus will come up, minus into minus gm divided by x power minus 2, which is equals to x. So x power minus 2 means what? Minus gm divided by x square, which is equals to x. So this is what is the formula. So anybody? X-axis, what is that? Minus gm by x square. Y-axis minus gm by y square. Z-axis minus gm by z square. So please learn this. Very, very important. So what is the relationship between E and V? Everybody? E is equals to what? All of you. Minus dV divided by dr. Clear? So then, what is this derivation and how to solve the numericals? This all the things we'll discuss in the evening class. So till here, anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. So I hope you understand, Mr. Pradosh, Rudreswa. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is what is the relationship between E and V? Everybody? E is equals to minus dV by dr. So gravitational field is a vector quantity. Gravitational potential is the scalar quantity. So if you want to find in any direction, you have to do the partial differentiation. That's all it is. Partial differentiation,